Tammy Tacky was diagnosed with breast cancer late last year. While it wasn't the news she wanted to receive around the holidays, it was important that she went in for her mammogram when she did.
Wasn't going to get a mammo in 2024 because I was so busy. It was already December. I thought, no, I'm getting ready for the holidays. I don't have time for this. A little voice kept telling me, you should get your mammo. And finally I thought, okay, fine, I will. Doctor said, I'll call you the day after Christmas. And he did, and he said, we found cancer.
After a double mastectomy, Tammy started chemotherapy.
So I had 2 rounds of different kinds of chemo. So the first round was 8 weeks, and then they switched it to a different chemo, and that was 8 weeks.
Undergoing chemotherapy can often mean patients lose their hair as one of the side effects, which was a concern for Tammy.
My main concern was my daughter. She is 31 and she has Downs. She lives with us. And she would have been very anxious if she would have seen all my hair fall out.
However, thanks to a cooling cap technology called DigniCap, it helped reduce that risk.
How it works is if you can cool the scalp down, it decreases blood flow to the scalp during chemotherapy, so it limits the amount of exposure that your hair follicles have when a patient's receiving chemotherapy. And so typically they would wear it for about 30 minutes prior to chemotherapy. They wear it during infusion, so it's like their head gets cold, it's cooling that scalp, and then she wore it for 2 hours after.
By the end of June, Tammy completed her chemotherapy with minimal hair loss and now is cancer-free.
For me, my faith was very important. My family and my friends, everybody was so great. And you don't have to do it by yourself. Everybody can help you. And they will. All you have to do is ask them, So, yeah, that's the best part, is to know and get your mammogram. Don't wait until that little voice has to nag you. Get your mammogram just to make sure that everything's okay.
A simple but important message: yearly mammograms matter.
So the earlier that we check mammograms, we can detect cancer sooner.